Windows 11 has a new Notepad app that retains the familiar look of the classic version, but with the new visual changes that align with the new modern design language across the desktop with rounded corner, dynamic material that shines through the desktop color and supports the dark and light color system modes. The app also has new menus with the same option as before. On the right, you will see an option to access the settings page. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to install new Notepad app on Windows 11. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open the Microsoft Store. Click on the library on the bottom left corner. Click the Get Updates button. Once you complete the step, the redesigned app should download and install automatically. Alternatively, you can install the app directly from the Microsoft Store app. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.